In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your CodeAnywhere IDE so that you can view multiple files on the same screen at the same time, making it easier for you to edit your web page, especially when you start having HTML files, CSS files, and eventually even JavaScript files, all being used for the same web page. Okay, first let's start with where you go and what the options are for editing your page. You can just click on the HTML file, then click on the CSS file and see the CSS file with using these tabs. Now for some people that's a great workflow for them. For me, I prefer to have my files on the screen at the same time. So if you click on View and then Layout, you have a couple different ways you can arrange them. You can arrange them in columns like pillars, where your code is one after the other, and I can just click, drag, drop, and now I have like pillars where I have my code here and my code here for my style sheet, and I can change those. It's just really well designed. So for example, if I change the color right now, you can see Inspiring Coders is black, but if I change this to red, I can hit save and then go to my web page and see the impact that code has had on the web page. Okay, that looks good. Good. I like it. Some people prefer to have their code instead of in the pillar or column format, to have it in the row format, which actually happens to be the way I like it myself. So here is, I'm going to put my HTML on top. I'm going to put my CSS file here. And then when I'm working on my CSS, I might scroll this up to get more room to work on my CSS. And when I'm working on my HTML, I might do the same. And let's say I want to go back to the black and see how that, and put it back the way I want it. Sorry about that. Okay, I've now saved my CSS, and let's refresh my page, and it's back to the black. I like that too. So you're able to put multiple files in the same screen, which is really powerful for developing your code and kind of seeing how one thing impacts another. And don't forget to leave your web page up so that when you make a change, all you have to do is refresh the page and you can instantly see the change, the impact of that change has on your page, and detect your errors early.